Hi everyone, I am July Katima Kaalang, but you can call me July. I'm from BSA Sciences 3A and I live in Buntungan, Wao, Lanao del Sur. As I continued my journey in education, I realized that this program is a better fit for me and allows me to grow in different ways. Now, I am focused on becoming a good educator and making a positive impact on the lives of others. As for my goal in life, I want to be someone who can make positive impact and contribute to my community. My talent is cooking and I enjoy reading in my free time. My favorite color are black, white, and brown. 5 years of friendship, one rule. We always meet every year. No excuses, just us every year together again. Cousins by birth, best friends by choice. This closeness, my greatest blessings.
Makes it hard to see underneath. Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Did we ever know? You see all inside of my head. Maybe you still think I don't care, but all I need is you. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Together where we are, let go. We're so close. I just had to let you know you're